Hello everyone. So as we continue this series of the project I'm building, the plagiarism checker, and one of the problems we are trying to build is, I mean, to eradicate is content duplication, which is a disease which must be monitored and eradicated for businesses. So plagiarism is rampant on the internet and in the classroom, which is with so much content out there, it's sometimes hard to know which is when something has been plagiarized. So this is one of my problem statement and one of the problems we're trying to solve with AI by building the plagiarism checker. For one of the AI environment and AI agents, my AI environment will primarily be news articles which I'll be getting from my data set. Then my agents will include the keyboard for the input and then the monitor for the output and mouse. Then the dataset I'll be using is a dataset from Krago, which is called the news articles, which contains over 143,000 articles from major publications. So at least one of these articles will somehow show if some content has been plagiarized. So this data primarily falls between the years 2016 and 2017. So these are one that is just a brief description of my dataset. Then informed and uninformed search. So these are basically both algorithms, but for informed, the algorithms have information on the goal set, which helps in more efficient searching. So examples, we have greedy search and graph search. And then for uninformed, they have no additional information on the goal node other than the one provided in the problem definition. So examples, we have depth first search and breadth first search. So I don't think I'll be using these algorithms in my project, but I think as we progress, we shall see if we shall be using them. And then, as we can see, as we continue, uninformed, which can also be known as blind search strategies, are those which use only the components of the provided problem definition. So I think this is more deep, and as I think as we progress, we shall be using these algorithms. So then one of my last slides, we have accountability in AI. So who is held accountable this if we build an AI and it doesn't meet the requirements? So for example, accountability refers to the need to explain and justify one's decision and actions to its partners, users, and others with whom the system interacts. So to ensure accountability, decisions must be deliverable from and explained by decision-making algorithms used. So in my system, I have to make sure that at least it is it is in line with accountability. For example, I can have text that is plagiarized, but then my system shows it's not plagiarized. So who is going to be held accountable for that? So those are one of the problems we are going to be facing, and knowing accountability. Thank you. Hope to see you soon. Have a nice time.